Well, at this point, I feel like GameStop is just doing this to get their name out there so more people will gamble in their power packs and, just really promoting the whole gambling thing. GameStop is offering to buy eBay. Yeah, eBay, one of the biggest platforms on the internet. Yeah, this is not Jeff Bezos trying to buy eBay. This is not, who's that guy? Zuckerberg or Musk. This is eBay trying to get bought out by GameStop. The GameStop that fell apart if it wasn't for TCG and their little meme stocks. The company that was going to go bankrupt if it wasn't for that stuff. Yeah, now they're throwing their hat into the ring. So they're offering to buy GameStop for $56 billion. GameStop CEO says eBay should be worth and will be worth a lot more money. I'm thinking about turning eBay into something worth hundreds of billions of dollars. Cohen has a commitment letter from TD Bank, provided around $20 billion in debt financing to help make the deal possible. It is idiotic to say the least. I mean, you have a company in GameStop who is worth nothing close to compared to how much eBay is worth. And, yeah, I mean, I guess throw your hat into the ring, but that would be like me trying to buy, actually not me, but that'd be like a channel with 1 million subscribers trying to buy LTT, Linus Tech Tips. Like, yeah, it's just not going to happen. GameStop posted on their Twitter, they said GameStop proposed to acquire eBay at $125 per share. And then they have this little investor.gamestop.com, which takes you to pretty much nothing. I mean, I guess this is the documents. So, kind of just show, yeah, they're for real. They're ready to do it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Again, like I said, maybe this is a situation where they're just trying to get their name out there, like for people to talk about them. So maybe people will start buying more power packs and going to their website and buying their TCG's crap. But as of May 26th, eBay is worth $46 to $46.3 billion. GameStop is worth $11.9 to $12 billion. So they're trying to buy eBay for 5 times the amount that they're worth. I don't think that adds up. But, I mean, hey, all power to you. eBay currently has 135 million active buyers and 18 million active sellers. While GameStop, it doesn't say how much like active stuff they have, but I'm going to guess that those numbers that you just saw with eBay, GameStop gets that in like a 10-year period. There's just no way, man. Like, at first I thought this was a meme. I thought this was a way too late April Fool's joke or some crap. But the fact that this is actually still a thing and this is actually trying to move the needle even farther, it's just so stupid. They're trying to rival Amazon, which, bro, GameStop, you just need to just stay away from everything, okay? Stay away from everything, GameStop. That's just not going to happen. That's just not going to happen. I recommend just chilling and doing you. So also, this is in the news. Valve's Steam Machine will cost $600 to $650, according to well-known leaker Moore's Law is dead. He says the basic 512GB version is more expensive than he previously thought because memory and storage parts have gotten way more expensive lately. He says if Valve charges over $700, it's a bad idea, and you get better value from a regular PS5 or a similar gaming PC for $700 to $750. For heavy Steam users, $600 could make it a smart buy. But if the price goes higher, most people will probably choose a PS5 for its exclusive games or a full PC that can be upgraded later. Valve has not announced the official price, and I don't think they're going to announce the official price anytime soon. I mean, I'm expecting them to be radio silent until everything is concrete, and I don't think we're close to things being concrete with Valve at this moment in time. So, guess we'll see on that one. See you guys in the next one. Peace.